Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of beauty reviews, mostly skincare on my channel. So today I'm here with a beauty review related to a kajal. Now this is a new brand for me and I have heard this name for the first time. This is called Million Colors and I have tried their kajal. Now I was searching for information about this brand and I checked it. They do not have a website, specific website, and the only thing that I found was an Instagram page, and on the Instagram page they had a website and I clicked on it, but it said not available currently. So maybe they are undergoing some maintenance, not sure, but they do sell some of their other products on Amazon, Flipkart, and I think on Nykaa also I found it. I'm not sure, but this particular kajal was not available anywhere except their Instagram page. So maybe you have to contact them directly on Instagram. So that with that information aside, let's talk about this kajal. The price of this kajal is 150 rupees MRP and you get 0.28 grams of this product. I got it for 79 from the Smudge app. So this kajal comes in a retractable form and you have to twist it up in order to use the kajal. Now I do want to talk about claims just like I do in every other video of mine, but since they don't have a website, I found this information on their Instagram page under the picture of the kajal, and I also found some information on the packaging which is on the cardboard of this kajal that it came in. So here's what they have to say. Pointed tip for precise application, sharp edge, intense and even color payoff, long wear, lasts up to 12 hours, creamy texture, glides smoothly without tugging, lightweight for comfortable wear, matte finish, waterproof, sweat-proof and smudge resistant, cruelty-free, paraben-free and phthalate free. So these were all of the claims which they have mentioned on the product packaging, which I found, and I want to specifically talk about each and every claim that they have made regarding this kajal. Now the first and most important point, which is like a deciding factor whether you should get this one or not, is the fact that they also mention in the claim that this has a pointed tip. Now they want to mention this as an added advantage, which I don't know, it might be a useful thing for other people, but for me it wasn't that great because I have very sensitive eyes. So because of its pointy tip, while applying it feels like slightly uncomfortable. But when I use this kajal to create a smoky look on the lower lash line, it does make my eyes water. But even color payoff, yes, it is a very creamy formula. It glides on very smoothly, gives even application. I agree with these claims. It is also very pigmented, so it gives a matte finish as they claim. They say it lasts up to 12 hours, but I think 4 to 6 hours is the maximum that it would last, and then it fades away. So it is definitely smudge resistant and it comes off very easily with my cleansing balm, and there's no problem with that. So here's the smudge proof and the waterproof test that I did to check whether it stands up to their claims or not. Otherwise, once you have applied it, it feels okay, it feels comfortable, it doesn't cause any sort of discomfort with the overall formula. It does feel lightweight, doesn't feel heavy. I have tried with a very thin on the waterline, thin application on the waterline, and I have tried it with a very thick application, trying to smoke out the lower lash line and all. And both the ways I think it works fine. You can easily work with it if you're a beginner. I like this one. The only thing I don't like is the pointy tip, which makes me a little bit uncomfortable while applying this. So that is all I had to talk about the Million Colors kajal in this short review. I hope you found this video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such beauty related reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.